In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check the Citi account balance. So the first thing that you'll need to do is simply, if you're using a PC, you'll need to go and visit citi.com. And of course, you'll have to log in into your account. So make sure to use your user ID and password and log in into your account. And if you forgot somehow your user ID or password, you can use those two options. And if you're in the app, you'll have to do the same. You'll have to go and sign in using the user ID or Touch ID or even Face ID if you've enabled them. And or create an account. Example, if you don't have one, the same will be here. You can open an account if you don't have an account. But normally, if you want to check your balance, probably you already have an account. So once you logged in into your account, you'll find yourself at the home screen. You'll find this right here, like the first page. Once you logged in, you'll find yourself at the home page. And at that home page, you will find your balance right away without doing anything. Just you'll have to log in. The same will be for phone as example. So I don't know if I'll find it. So Citibank home interface or app home interface. So this is as example for the home, and let's just click on emergency. So normally, as you can see, yeah, this is the home interface. And as you can see, you'll be able to see your balance right away in front of your eyes once you logged in into your account. And if you want to make any transfers or something like that, I've already made some videos about this if you want to go and check them out. So that's how you check your balance. Thank you for watching and goodbye.